Okay, so we had thunder and rain this morning, so this is the afternoon. It's only 70 degrees out here, or 68, so it's pretty warm. I mean, cool. Warm for wintertime. You can't drink my drink. You know better than that, Baloo. You know he can't drink my drink. He wants to lick me in the face, though. That's why I keep moving my head away from him. He's a licker. I don't like to be licked in the face, Baloo. I don't. You can cuddle me. You can be a good boy. Baloo! 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 Stop it. You stop it. You're the loudest of them all. You act bananas sometimes. You do. You act bananas. You're my crazy boy. He perfectly normal but there's two scenarios where he goes ape shit crazy. When there's a dog on the other side of the fence and when he goes to the vets. Other than that, he's a pretty normal dog. He's a little pretty obedient too, except in those two cases. You go a little too nutsy. You do. You go a little too nuts. All right. Since it's afternoon, let's see. Forward says some coffee. I already had my coffee. But anyway, I was going to say today was supposed to be me talking about my AI experiences on my vacation. You can summarize it pretty easily. My wife has a little bit of issues with mobility, so AI was very good about giving me some better information about places we could go that she could have a good time at, which, as you guys know, there's apps out there to show you what to do in an area. But I mean, she couldn't go jet skiing, and there were a lot of other things she couldn't do, but it was able to highlight some of the better areas or better attractions that would be things that she could either move around in, sit down, or uh, participate in. So that was very helpful. And it was also very helpful with a lot of other stuff. My mother-in-law was sending me updates on a wedding we were going to, and I was able to grab some pieces of the wedding. And every time she sent me an update, I'd have it update the things I needed to do. It made it a lot more clear, uh, the schedule I needed to keep to make sure the wedding went off well. All that being said, it was very helpful. Get home. Oh my gosh, I was gone 2 weeks, and it's just this big blob of stuff. Everything from agents to more deep learning. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. One of the things I heard, one of the guys I listen to, he's on a podcast called the All In Podcast. He was talking about mitochondria and the ability to push more mitochondria into cells that were having energy issues or depleted mitochondria. And I took that and said, hey, he referenced the paper and he put in the show notes for the podcast. So I grabbed that paper, put it into AI, and said, hey, is this something that could impact my wife's PLS? The analysis it did was amazing. I downloaded it and sent it to her mother. It's very impressive. But agents and MCP and all this other stuff, I was like looking at all this stuff, like, oh my gosh, I was only gone 2 weeks, and it's amazing all the things that have changed. It's amazing, Luna. Luna's like, I don't care as long as it's not a thunderstorm. That's the big thing for me, Luna says. I hate thunderstorms. She does. She hates thunderstorms. I don't know if the AI will ever be able to do something about that, though, Luna. But if it could, I'm sure it will eventually. Um, anyway, that all being said, I was very impressed with how I could customize. I'm sorry, Lynn, I didn't mean to scare you there. She's a little on nerve because we've got some alarm sirens going off around here. So she's a little, what's going on, what's happening kind of scenario. Um, all that stuff being said, one of the things that is truly amazing is the speed of so much stuff. So much stuff is changing so rapidly, and introducing it to other people in a way that makes sense is becoming. Oh, I know. She's like, you need to come inside there. There's too much noise out here. Yes, I know. That speed and adoption and how people are coming around is pretty impressive. Oh, big snot nose. Big snot nose. Yes, you are. She's my pretty girl. Pepper's the cute one. Luna's the beautiful one. And Baloo is my good boy. This is my little girl, too. Even though she's the biggest, she's the most gentle of the three. She's very gentle. She's loud. She can bark better than any of them. But when she like gets on our bed or gets on us and stuff, or when she's got a ball somewhere, she's just so gentle with it. She's my gentle little giant. My gentle giant is what I call her. Yes, yeah. She's like, I'm worried about you, Dad. There's a lot of loud noises out here. Yes, you're worried about me. I know you. And when I go for a walk, she walks with me. The other two walk ahead of me, but she walks with me. She likes to walk with her dad. Anyway, I wanted to say all those things, saying so much stuff. I can't cover it today, or you guys don't want me to anyway. Check out agents, check out MCPs, check out all the different things that people have added. Tons of stuff was released by OpenAI. Amazing. Having a hard time keeping up with all of it. And so are you, because I'm not doing a very good job. But I'm back from vacation. I was going to say give me a break, but I already just had a break, didn't I? Okay. All right. It's almost 70 degrees out. We had a good walk though, didn't we, Baloo? Yeah, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Now, he's rough on me. He's ruckus. Yes. My arm had no bruises on it at all now. Bruised me all up within the week that I came back. And it was mostly him. Pepper did a little bit, but it was mostly him. Nothing from Luna. All right. I want to talk to you guys later. And you guys have a wonderful Easter weekend. Happy Easter.